bird in the sky, right? Oh, you walk away too fast. Now watch this.
But we gotta have some type of order. You understand what I'm saying?
And
so
I'm not chill. Order.
Let's chill.
But when you told me, when you asked
me,
me,
verse 48 again. Come on.
Therefore shalt thou serve thine enemies, which the Lord shall send against thee, in hunger, and in thirst, and in nakedness, and in want of all things.
And in want of all things, a birth certificate. That's where you gotta go. When you die, guess where you got? Guess who's gonna bury you? You understand what I'm saying? You want an education. Guess who educated us? Did black people come up with the curriculum?
I said no.
No. You understand what I'm saying? God said we're going to serve them in everything. Read on.
And he shall put a yoke of iron.
Hold up. Look at the picture. He going to do what?
And he shall put a yoke of iron upon thy neck.
He said he going to put a yoke of iron upon thy neck. Who had yokes of iron on their neck? You ever seen a yoke of iron on a Chinese man's neck? Hell no. An Arab man neck? Hell no. A white man neck? Hell no. So who the Bible talking about? It's talking about us. Keep reading. Watch this.
Until he have destroyed thee.
Read that part again.
Until he have destroyed thee.
Until you destroy. So now you're destroyed to the point to where you wake up in the middle of the day and you drunk as hell. Now you destroyed. You drunk, you inebriated. You understand what I'm saying? You don't know who you are. That's another sign of being drunk. You living inside of lies. Give me that Micah chapter 2 and verse 10. We're talking about
the spirit of fear. Second Timothy, Second Timothy, first chapter, 7th verse.
Right there. Come on.
This is Micah chapter 2 and verse 10. Arise ye and depart. Verse 11. If a man walking in the spirit and in falsehood do lie.
Do what?
Do lie.
See, both of y'all walking in the spirit of falsehood right now. You understand what I'm saying? Both of y'all living inside of a lie. What's your race? What's your race?
I'm Haitian.
You Haitian? You see yourself?
I'm from Samson and Delilah.
You see this?
I'm from the 13 tribes. You got 12, but you forgot about the 13.
Okay, where you get that from? Where you get the information from?
Hey, come on. I'm him.
Hey, give me Isaiah 5.
It's the reason you met me. It's the reason I'm right here.
See, that's why our people think we're a joke.
Wrong.
That's what's wrong with our people. Our people think we're a joke. It's time for us to come up out of these philosophies. It's time for us to stop living comfortable in captivity. Come on.
I'm not trying to go
This is
against you.
Isaiah chapter 5 and verse 11. Woe unto them that rise up early in the morning, that they may follow strong drink.
Read it again.
Woe unto them that rise up early in the morning, that they may follow strong drink.
Remember what God said? God is against the man that decides to wake up early in the morning and get drunk. You understand what I'm saying? If you the 13th tribe, why you not following God's commandments? Why you drunk right now, brother?
I'm not drunk.
Give me that Acts chapter 3.
You asked me, did I drink?
Give me that
Yes, I drink. I'm not drunk.
Thou shalt not lie. You smell like alcohol.
That's
Come on, Acts chapter 3 and verse 19. Come on.
Bro,
This is Acts chapter 3 and verse 19. Repent ye therefore and be converted.
It's time to repent. We ain't out here to play games with our people, man. We out here trying to wake up the minds and the souls of our people. To get their mind off of the drugs, off of the strong drink. You understand what I'm saying?
What about the
That
killing?
your sins may be blotted out.
You need to repent and have your sins blotted
What
out.
about the
You
killing?
understand? You don't even understand what you're doing right now.
I'm the prince of
You
the wind.
understand what I'm saying?
You're going to feel the wind blow.
When the times of refreshing shall come from the presence of the Lord.
Because guess what? When the Lord show up on the scene and he catch you drunk, it's off with your head.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying? So it's time for you to repent.
Give me Proverbs. What's that? Proverbs 20 in verse 1.
Telling me
We're
to go
going
back
to deal
to
with
the
the drunk
Westside.
spirit because that's what we see out
How
here
about
today.
the earth?
And it's a thing that's
It's
plaguing
where
our
we
black
roam.
man. These things
And
are
you
things that our
be
people
my
run
partner,
to try to turn
because
away
I am a
from all
community
their
leader from the
problems.
west side. You're talking
Why?
to
Because our people don't know who we
My
are.
name is
You don't
Sharab
understand why
Bell.
we go through the things that we go through. Matter of fact, God gave me Deuteronomy 28 and verse.
Titus 2 and 3. The aged women
Let's see.
likewise, that they be in behavior as becoming holiness. Not
Shout out to the real ones.
not given to much wine.
Shout out to the fake ones. L7. L7, them squares. Name is Sherrod. He's an Israelite. He's an Israelite. What's your name?
12 and 13, you know what I want.
He's Jean
Underneath those conditions, the black man or the black girl will never thrive.
I'm from Haiti.
To find out what your true purpose in life
Westside,
is.
St.
Read
Louis.
this.
This is the book
What's
of
your name?
Ecclesiastes, chapter 12,
Grab my cups.
verse 13.
You make a good one.
I'm
I'm a good friend to have.
Fear God and keep his commandments.
You believe in God? Show us the sunshine on me and you. It's time. This will make history. Shake my hand.
Not to wake up and
Let your man capture it.
Nation is men leading by example. Nation is family. Nation is community. Nation is children with role models. Nation is unity. Nation is you.
And finally, my brethren, be strong in the Lord. His word